How to quickly master your newly purchased HS-03, a step-by-step tutorial. Even beginners can easily learn. The HS-03 features a replaceable battery design. Use the screwdriver included with the machine. Unscrew the top to replace the battery. The metal tab indicates the negative pole. The other end is the positive pole. You can also confirm the polarity via the icons on the body. Insert the battery in the correct direction. Close the battery cover, tighten the screw, and you're done. Pull firmly to confirm it's secure. Take out the included tip and insert it into the mounting hole. Now you can start using it normally. The HS-03 front panel has direction keys, an OK key, and a screen. On top are the Type-C port and quick temperature knob. On the bottom are the soldering tip and cap. Long press the OK key to power on. Double-click in standby to enter or exit settings. Single-click to select and confirm. Use direction keys to adjust the temperature. In the settings interface, they act as menu selections. On first boot, choose your preferred language and temperature unit. Press the OK key to enter heating mode. Adjust to the appropriate temperature using the keys and knob. Keys adjust temperature in 10 degrees Celsius steps by default. The knob has 5 gear settings. The range is 250450 degrees Celsius, 50 degrees Celsius per gear, before using a new soldering tip for the first time. Heat it to 250 degrees Celsius to apply solder. This prevents dry burning and oxidation. Hold the solder wire in your left hand and the iron in your right. Once it reaches the preset temperature, you can begin soldering. It detects if no tip is inserted and sounds a buzzer alarm. It will prompt when the battery is too low. An insufficient battery level triggers a startup prompt. If idle for the preset time during operation, it enters sleep mode. If no action is taken before the standby countdown ends below, it enters standby mode. Short press the OK key to wake it from standby. Wake from sleep mode by pressing a key or shaking the handle. Long press the OK key to power off from any state. Enter the settings page to select sleep settings. Sleep time is adjustable from 0.5 - 60 minutes. It enters sleep mode after reaching the set time. This lowers the tip temperature and reduces damage. Standby time can be set from 1 - 60 minutes. Entering standby mode reduces the tip power. It reduces the tip power, cutting off the heating output. Sleep temperature's range is 100 to 100 degrees Celsius. Enter handle settings. Step adjustment sets the temperature change per key press. The default is 10 degrees Celsius. The range can be set from 1 - 50 degrees Celsius. A larger value adjusts faster. A smaller value allows finer adjustment. Temperature calibration has 3 gears, 150, 250, 350 degrees Celsius. Below is temperature compensation, adjusted via direction keys. If using the 150 degree gear, and the measured temperature is 150 degrees Celsius, no compensation is needed if there is a deviation from the actual temperature. For example, the measured temperature is 147 degrees Celsius. Set the machine's compensation to -3 degrees Celsius. Other temperature gears operate identically. Go to System Settings. Language settings toggles between Chinese and English. Handheld mode selects the grip orientation. Short press to select the direction. When the orientation changes, the direction keys swap to adapt to left or right-handed use. Unit settings toggles between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Sound switch turns the system prompt tone on or off. When on, direction keys adjust the volume. Screen brightness has 10 adjustment levels, also adjusted via direction keys. Toggles scroll animation during temperature changes. When new firmware is available, a separate upgrade video will be released. The About option shows product model, firmware version, and other info. Click Restore Factory Settings to reset all machine configurations. The HS-03 can use Type-C chargers and power banks to charge the built-in lithium battery. You can also replace it with a 18650 lithium battery for power.